So BTC broke this downtrend line of ascending triangle pattern, and this pattern was a bullish pattern. But Bitcoin broke this downtrend line and started dumping. So what is going to happen now in Bitcoin in short term, and what is going to happen in Bitcoin in long term? We are going to discuss each and everything, and what is going to happen in our altcoins. We are going to discuss and give a clear picture of these things. If you want to know these things, then watch this video carefully without skipping. So let's start the video without wasting any further time. So this was the pattern, and this is the bullish pattern for Bitcoin. And but Bitcoin broke this downtrend line. Then we are expecting a dump from Bitcoin to our this zone. That is our 92,900 or $92,800 zone. So let me mark the zone. This is the support zone for Bitcoin. This is the support zone for Bitcoin. So we may expect this zone, but this might be a fake out also. So we have to wait for the right time to enter in the market, because if you took a look on this whole chart, then Bitcoin is, let me mark these zones, then Bitcoin is ranging in this zone. So the ranging of any coin is not good for any coin, because the ranging is the very risky zone for any coin. So we have to avoid trading in this type of zone, on this type of area. So this may be a fake out also, but we have to wait for the right time to enter in the market. So this was the short term update for Bitcoin. This we may expect a little dump in Bitcoin to this zone, or we may expect again a breakout of this zone. But this is the very risky zone, so we will not enter in this type of market. Now we are going to discuss the move in our daily time frame. So this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and what is going to happen in Bitcoin in this chart. So let me tell you one thing. We will use the FIB tool, Fibonacci retracement tool. So this is the FIB, and this is the golden zone, that is 0.5 to 0.618. This is the golden zone. We say this is the golden zone. Let me mark this zone. So this is the golden zone for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin broke this zone, then we are going to see a new all-time high for Bitcoin. So this was confirmed. If Bitcoin broke this zone, then we are definitely going to see a very good momentum from Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin broke this down zone, that is 0.5 area, then we are going to see a heavy dump in Bitcoin. So what is most probably happen? We are going to discuss this thing. So if you take a look, then Bitcoin is almost ranging at the 0.618, that is $96,200 zone. And we discussed in our previous video that we have a very good and very strong resistance zone at $95,000. So this Bitcoin is ranging in this zone, and if any coin, and if Bitcoin ranges, if it ranges along from a long term, then we are going to see a very good pump in Bitcoin. The chances of breakout is increases when any coin ranges in our resistance zone. So we may expect a breakout of this Bitcoin, and the next target will be above this 0.786, that is $1,02,000 area, and then the next target will be our all time high. So this was the update for Bitcoin. We may expect a very good bounce from Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is ranging in this zone from past some days, for past almost 8 to 10 days. So we may expect a very good momentum from Bitcoin, but we have to wait for the right time and the right confirmation from the Bitcoin. Then we can enter in the market. And if you want to enter, if you want a right entry, then you have to join our Telegram channel. I will update in this. So let's start the analysis of our Bitcoin dominance. That is our analysis for our altcoins. So Bitcoin dominance already broke this zone. This is the bullish pattern, that is descending parallel channel, and Bitcoin already broke this upper trend line, and now it is retesting this zone. But let me again tell you one thing, that if a Bitcoin dominance pump, then the altcoins will dump, and if Bitcoin dominance dump, then the altcoins will pump. So this is the general moves and general thing for Bitcoin dominance. But this will change if Bitcoin pumps and Bitcoin dominance do not pump suddenly. So we have to wait for the entry, and we have to wait for the Bitcoin dominance. It is retesting it. If it tests successfully, then we will see a little dump in our altcoins, because this is the chart of our 4 hour chart frame, not daily time frame, and we discuss the Bitcoin in our daily time frame. So we may expect a little dump in our altcoins, and we may expect a little dump in our Bitcoin also. But in the long term, the Bitcoin is looking good and the dominance is also looking good. But if Bitcoin pumps and dominance pump not suddenly, then we are going to see the pump in our altcoin also. So overall, we don't have to enter in the current market, because the whenever the market ranges, we have to avoid trading. That is the risky zone. So if you want the right time and the right signal, then join our Telegram channel also. I will update in that channel. So if you enjoy this video, then hit the like button. If you are new in my channel, then subscribe the channel right now.